come out the oil seal and you're going to have an oil leak, and that's just bad news. Hi folks, welcome back to Ramsey Winch 101. I am Rob Renfro, Design Engineer for Ramsey Winch. Today we're looking at a Ramsey Helios, specifically on the vent on the side of the gearbox. We want to make sure that vent is unobstructed, okay? So right here we have something on the vent. You can take that off. Make sure that there's nothing obstructing the vent, because you're going to have pressure build up inside the gearbox, and that's going to need a place to go. And if that's covered, then it's going to come out the oil seal and you're going to have an oil leak, and that's just bad news. A second place is we can look at the vent on the brake, which is right over here. That needs to be unobstructed also. So if there's something on there, take it off, allow it to breathe. If your brake can't breathe, then it's not going to work properly and it's going to malfunction, and we don't want that for the winch. All right? Thank you. Thanks for watching Ramsey Winch 101. We'll catch you next time.